Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use copy and paste options. Okay, so as an example I'm gonna open up the notes, I'm gonna create a new note, and here I'm gonna simply type something. Now simply select your text, just like that, and now click on the copy. Okay, our text has been copied to the clipboard, and now to paste it, I'm gonna, for now, get rid of that, and to paste, simply hold on the screen and click on the paste. Boom, as you can see now, the copied letters has been successfully pasted. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.